Hello everyone. In this video, I'm sharing about the art and craft workshop organized by Manima Foundation School, an educational venture of Sambhavi. Sambhavi is a Delhi NCR based NGO which works for animal, healthcare, environment and education. This event was organized on December 9th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Teachers were Seema Datta and Karishma. This event was executed by Sambhavi's president Anju Pandey. Children from all over Delhi NCR participated in this event. Some children were mentally challenged or physically challenged, like motor disability, blindness. Children from economically weaker section also participated in this event. You can see that they created beautiful greeting cards. This event was the first in the series. There would be few more craft workshops in future next year.